Welcome. If you are new to meditation, you're in the right place. Meditation is a simple yet powerful practice that can bring peace, clarity, and a deeper connection to yourself. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, improve your focus, or simply find a moment of calm in your day, meditation can help you achieve that. In this video, I'll guide you through the basics of starting a meditation practice, and we'll end with a gentle 5-minute meditation to get you started. So let's get into it. Understanding meditation. What exactly is it? Well, at its core, meditation is the practice of focusing your mind and eliminating distractions. It's about training your awareness and really getting comfortable with stillness. There are many types, but the most common one and a great place to start is mindfulness meditation. And this involves paying attention to your breath, the sensations in your body, or a specific object of focus without getting into the judgment of it. So the first thing you need to do is set up a small space where you can meditate. So I have used a variety of spaces. I've even propped myself up on the pillows on my bed so I could lean against the wall. A quiet spot where you're not going to be disturbed is the perfect place. So if you'd like to decorate it, put little stones or a journal or other things there that are focus objects. You can do that to enhance your space, but it's not needed. All you need is somewhere that you can get comfortable and close your eyes for just a couple of minutes a day. So wherever your space is, make sure you have what you need for your comfort, whether it's a blanket or a pillow, cushion, yoga mat, whatever it looks like for you. There's no right way to do it. It's important that your body can be relaxed so you can focus on your meditation without focusing on pain in your body. So how do you do it? Well, it's pretty simple, but it takes some practice. Here are the basic steps. You want to sit comfortably so that your spine is long, your back is straight, but not rigid. You want to feel relaxed, but also slightly alert. You want to be able to focus on your breath. So sitting in a comfortable way so that when you close your eyes, you can feel the breath moving in and out of your body. You don't need to do anything to change your breathing. You're just going to be a witness to what's happening. The next thing is to notice your mind, notice your thoughts, and notice where your mind goes, and when it wanders, being able to just gently bring it back to focus rather than letting it carry away with thoughts and take you somewhere else. Finally, be patient with yourself. Meditation is a practice, and it is about the practice of doing it, and it's never perfect. So over time, it will get easier to maintain focus, but some days will always be better than others, and you'll just learn what those rhythms are like and what it's like inside your mind when you close your eyes. And the main thing is to get to know yourself, your mind, your patterns, and to have some control over those things rather than it just being on autopilot. It will give you a lot of clarity when you get the practice going. You're going to start to see the results in other areas of your life, which is when it gets really good and really juicy. All right, so let's just do a short meditation here together just to get an idea of the practice. So find a space where you will not be disturbed and make sure you're comfortable. And as you're ready, close your beautiful eyes and take a deep breath in, breathing in through your nose, exhaling through your mouth, inhaling through your nose. And as you exhale, let go of any tension in your body that you can. And then just continue breathing naturally. Bring your attention now to any points of contact. These are the places where your body meets the surface that you're sitting on or lying on. Feel the support of that surface and allow it to ground you. Feel connected to this moment through the support that you receive under your body. Now gently shift your focus to your breath. As you inhale, notice the sensation of air entering your nostrils, your chest rising, your abdomen filling up. And as you breathe out, notice your chest and belly falling and feel the coolness or warmth of the air as it leaves your nostrils. If your mind begins to wander, it's perfectly fine. Acknowledge it and then guide your attention back to your breath. As you breathe, notice any thoughts or emotions that arise. See them as clouds in a vast sky. There's no need to get caught up in them. Just see them and let them drift away. Return to the feeling and the constancy, the ocean of your breath. Each breath is a fresh start, a moment of calm, and a place to travel as it comes in, rising and filling, and as it goes out, emptying and letting go. Take another deep breath in, allow your lungs to fill completely. Take in one more little sip of air at the top of your inhale. Hold that breath for just a moment. Feel that fullness. Give thanks for your breath. And then slowly exhale. Release any remaining tension. Give thanks to your body. And as you're ready, gently wiggle fingers and toes. Bring yourself back to your body. Slowly open your eyes. Allow a feeling of calm, centeredness to come into this moment. Feel present. You just completed a meditation. How did it feel? So congratulations on completing this short meditation. Remember that meditation is a practice, and the more you do it, the more benefits that you will experience. Start with 1 minute every day and gradually increase the time as it gets easier. Be patient, 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 and very kind to yourself. Every meditation is going to be different, and there's no right or wrong way to do it. The thing is just to do it. So as you build a practice, be consistent. Meditate every day at the same time. And in the beginning, you may have to force yourself to do it, but it will become something that you look forward to eventually. Start small. It's better to do it every day than to skip it. Use guided meditations. There are plenty on this channel that are 10 minutes or less, and these will help provide structure. They'll keep you focused, and they'll also give you some variety so that you can figure out what kind of meditation you enjoy the most. Be patient, patient, patient on this journey, but remember to practice. The benefits will come with time. So, how did it feel? How did it go for you? Please share your experience in the comments. And as always, if you're new here, consider subscribing for new mindfulness content every Wednesday. And if there's someone you know that could benefit from this video who might be starting a meditation practice, please share it with them. Thank you once again for the gift of your time. My name is Jenny, and it has been my absolute pleasure to meditate with you. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And until then, many blessings, peace, and joy to you.